I know you're busy. Here is a quick realistic tutorial of how to do a 5-minute natural makeup to look prepared and professional. 5 minutes starts now. I like to start off with a base, and I always use a powder base because it's much quicker and easier to apply. And I don't really have to blend this. So I just apply this all over any areas where I have any blemish, spots, redness, or any broken capillaries or veins. And I don't apply it everywhere because I only apply it where I need it. And powder is great too because it's not too heavy. And then I'll use a, if you have resources for multiple shaded mineral powder foundation, I like to use a lighter one to highlight my nose and then a darker one to contour it. That way it takes the guesswork out of blending and applying really specific to contour and shade. It just blends everything out. And sometimes I'll use this to also contour my cheeks super quick without having to do any detail work. And then sometimes I'll go with a highlighting blush, or I will use a blush and a highlight. Blush, highlight. Using a pink tinted highlighter will sometimes save you time. And you can see that I use this one quite a lot. I'll apply this all over the highlight and blush areas so that it's a 2-for-1. Just adds a bit of glow and flush to your cheeks. I'll also apply it a bit on the tip of my nose to get that whole face flush to your makeup. And I do like to add a little bit of cream shadow, kind of a champagne or a glitter shade, depending on, I guess, how bright I want my eye makeup to be. You can apply this all over your lid, but I usually just apply it to the inner corners here, just to add a little bit of a pop to the eye makeup. Let's do our eyeliner, quick pencil liner on the wing. Now I have a monolid, so I only apply eyeliner to the outer corners. However, you can just bring this in all the way depending on your eye shape. And I'll use my pinky nail just to bring out the wing. This is honestly the fastest way I apply my liner. Just smudge out the inside as well. Just add a little bit of definition. And we'll do our brows. Again, I don't go over the whole brow. I just go over where I need a little bit extra shading. So I'll do the tail and the front here because I do have my brows bleached. And for the last area, I'm gonna put on my lips. And I like to go with a bright red just on the inside of the lip. This gives a tint and a stain to your lip. And it stays all day because it's so bright. But I'll add a nice pink gloss on top to give a nice flushed and gradient lip color. And you can add a little bit of eyeshadow, more eyeshadow, or a little bit more blush or anything extra if you have blemishes that you'd like to cover with concealer or a little bit more extra oomph to your makeup. But this is what I do for a quick 5-minute get ready, really fast out the door makeup when I am going to a parent meeting or going to work, and it's super easy. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope I can see you next time. I actually finished in like 4 minutes, but usually if I take my time, it only takes 5 minutes. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!